Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to make crochet hook holder or crochet pen holder. This is what it looks like. Before we get started, we need to prepare all the materials. We need 2 yarns, 1, 2, we need 1 scissor, we need 1 yarn needle, we need 1 crochet hook with 8/0 or 5.0 millimeter crochet hook. Now, let's count a row 14. From here at the bottom, in the middle, this is row 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now we will get our hook. Place your hook here. Oh, it's here. Place our hook here. Then we will get the our yellow yarn here. Put it there, get it. There. There. Now, place your hook here so we can start our slip stitch. Then here, then place your hook here. Then at the back, here, get your yellow yarn, and then we will slip stitch. Slip stitch like this. Now let's slip stitch. And place here. Slip stitch. Slip stitch until we reach the round like this. Slip stitch until here. Now, until we reach it here. Now we will put the yarn here and get the yellow yarn, and we will make 25 chains. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'll get it back. Now we have our 25 single crochet here and 25 single crochet here. We'll make a ribbon. Let's make a beautiful ribbon. Now we made a ribbon. Now, let's make additional circle to put it here. Same procedure how we make this circle. We will place this circle here inside here. And then like that. And then we will put our hook or our pen. Like that. Use your hook here. 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 Then just like that. And we're done. Thank you for watching.